This video is for practice program. Already I have explained about the class rectangle. For the same class rectangle, you have to write on a program, Java program. You have to define a class for rectangle. So what a rectangle class should have, already I have explained it. It should have the properties. The properties are length and breadth. What should be the data type? You decide it. You can take it as integer, long, float, double, any type. If you are allowing decimal values also, then you can take float or double. Then for methods, you have to write methods like area and perimeter, which will not take any arguments, but they will return some value. That is, it will calculate area and it will return it. It should return the value that is same as the data type of these two, because for calculating area we have to use length and breadth, and the result will also be of same data type. So if you are making this as a double, then make this also as a double, and also write a method for perimeter, and also include one more method is square. So in this method you have to check whether length is equal to breadth. If length is equal to breadth, then this method should return true, otherwise false. So it means its data type must be Boolean. So you have to write three methods in this class. Formula for area of a rectangle is length into breadth. This is the simple formula. You may be knowing it, but I am writing it down. Length into breadth. And the formula for perimeter is 2 multiplied by summation of length and breadth. This one, square, just you have to check whether length is equal to breadth. Now, how you should write a program? You should write a class for rectangle. Write a class for rectangle. Okay. Then, inside this, write on all the properties and methods, all the things inside this body, and make all of them as public. Then after that, write a class for application. So you can give any name like rectangle test. Then inside this, write main method, public static void main method. Then inside the main method, create the object of rectangle and initialize its properties. Then call these methods and display their results, like how I have shown it in circle class. Similar way you do it. So you try to write this complete program by yourself in NetBeans or in Notepad. Pause the video here and write it by yourself. If you have any problem or if you want help, then you can continue watching video. You will find solution. I will write on this complete program, execute it and show it to you. So pause the video here and write the program. In NetBeans, already I have created a project that is rectangle test. So the class name is rectangle test, which is having main method. So this I am calling it as application class because it is having a main method. Outside this, I will write on a class for rectangle. First I will declare properties, public double, so that it allows decimal values also, length, and public double breadth. Now I will write on method public double area, and this method should return length into breadth. Next method is perimeter public double perimeter, then it should return 2 into in brackets length plus breadth. Then I said we should have one more method, that is square. So it is Boolean is square, which doesn't take any argument. Then return. Now I can directly return the result of comparison. So what is the comparison? Is length equal to breadth? See, when you use equal to symbol, the result will be either true or false. So if it is true, it will return true. If it is false, it will return false. Otherwise, if you want to make the method a little lengthy, then you can check length is equals to breadth. Then inside this, you have to write return true, then else return false. This will be a little lengthy. and otherwise you can directly return length equals to breadth. So it's the same thing, result will be same. This is the complete class for rectangle. You can read the complete class. Then inside rectangle test, inside main method, I will create an object of rectangle or assign new rectangle. See, this R is a reference of type rectangle, and this is creating a new object. A new rectangle will create a object inside heap. Then I should initialize r.length and breadth. You can see that a pop-up is showing list of contents of our class. So this bolded one, highlighted one are the members that we have defined. So it is having length, breadth, area, is a square, perimeter. These are the contents of a class. So I have to initialize length. I will initialize length as 10.5. Then r.breadth, I will assign it as 5.5. Now I will call area and perimeter. So directly I will print the results. System.out.println r.area. Area method. System.out.println r.perimeter method. So perimeter is also called. So these two things will be displayed. I will also add a label here, that is area. Then I will also display is a square or not. Is it a square? So like a question I have written, is it a square? Then call r dot is square. I have called all the methods. Everything is ready. Run the program. Area is 57.75, perimeter is 32.0, and is it a square? False. So the answer is false. Is it a square? Next, I will change this breadth also as 10.5. Now let us see the result. Area is 110.25, perimeter is 42. Is it a square? True. Yes, it is true. So that's it. That's how you can implement. And if you are still getting any errors, below the video you will find question answer section. Inside that Q&A section, just paste your code and I will remove errors. So that's all. In the next video we will find other exercises. So we will write few more classes.